Hey, it's Dayton Kane. I'm at Open Road Harley-Davidson, just off Interstate 41 in Fond du Lac, and we're going to talk to Amanda right now to find out what's going on with all these items behind me. Look at this. Look at this glorious leather paradise. I love it. So we just want to find out, like, when you walk into Open Road Harley-Davidson, how are you greeted? What are they going to walk you through as far as putting on clothes? You are the motor clothes manager.
Correct.
That's not easy to say. So this is Amanda. Hi, how are you?
Great.
Let's get right to it. So tell us a little bit about what we do when we come in to get fitted for clothing.
Yeah, so if you're coming in for our demo program, which is something that's kind of a little unique, not all dealerships offer the demo program, which what it means is we want to make sure that you are fit and you are ready for the ride. So from head to toe, we take care of you so you can jump on that bike and enjoy it and love it.
Perfect.
Yeah, so the first thing usually will come in is we make sure that you got some type of a jacket, maybe some type of long sleeve. So the first thing that we do offer is ladies as well as men's oil leather canvas jacket.
That is sharp.
Right? And I'm going to have you try this on so you can kind of get a feel for what it's going to be like for on the bike. So yeah, with this,
nice fit.
Yeah, definitely. You want it nice and snug. You don't want stuff blowing up while you're on your demo ride.
I suppose that makes sense.
Correct, yeah. And it's also got vents on there too, so that kind of makes it nice and cool in case you do hit a warm spot on your demo ride. That you have some breathable gloves, which these are our men's ones that we do offer.
Okay.
So you can try those on too. Make sure that they're a nice snug fit. You don't want them too tight.
All right.
Perfect.
Got a little Velcro thing here to keep them tight around the wrist.
And another thing we do
Seems good.
require is a helmet. We have to have a DOT certified helmet. So if you don't have one, not a problem. You just come in. We do a little bit of measuring with our Harley ruler here. And we have actually helmets that you can try on. We clean them out, make sure they're nice and disinfected, and you're good to ride.
Okay.
Yeah. So other than that, something that kind of is making us stand out at this time of everything going on is we do have pretty much daily stock of shipment, Monday through Friday. We are filling up all of our shelves, all of our wall space. It has been a little bit of a challenge, but Harley's working with us, so we're getting
I was amazed actually when I walked in and the store was still full, because so many times you walk into a store and there's just empty shelves everywhere and just not inventory. So this is great. This is awesome.
Definitely. And the shirt that you do have underneath your jacket is one of our newer ones too.
All right. Aha.
Yeah.
That zipper worked that time.
And then we do also have open road shirts, like the one that I'm wearing. That's a lady shirt that has open road in the back.
Nice.
That's a newer one too. So definitely check out the summer. We're not holding back. We're bringing in more inventory on a daily basis.
So whether I've ridden or not, I can come in, and each week there's going to be something new to look at too.
Correct,
If your inventory keeps getting restocked. Yeah. Okay, so as a person who's, in full disclosure, I have a motorcycle license, but I don't have a motorcycle. So this is good for me. This is good for me. So when I walk into the store, I'm going to find you, and you're going to get me set up for my demo.
Yep, definitely.
And then what happens?
Yeah, so after that point, once we know that you got your gear and you're ready to go, we take you to one of our sales specialists. They will find the bike that will get you just excited as what you're wearing right now. Makes you happy. I mean, there's enough stuff going on out there in the world. Let's get you on that bike. Let's get that Harley bug bitten. Let's ride.
Coming into this store is fun. We're going to leave the troubles out there. The fun is inside this store. There's leather, there's black, there's orange, there's red. It's just, it's a fun place to be. So Open Road Harley-Davidson, you can find them right off of Interstate 41, right in front of it. So you can't miss it. The sign's massive, the building's awesome, and there's bikes usually out front because people are here shopping. They're open and they have inventory. It's amazing. I'm Dayton Kane. Amanda, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I think we're going to do some more of these videos, but this was a good start. This gets us introduced to what happens at the store when we come in. So keep checking back to Facebook. We're going to do these throughout the summer. It's Dayton Kane for Nash FM 99.5.